Hey, this is a quick video for anyone converting a shuttle bus to show why you really need to remove and fix your windows. Unlike school buses that are built for safety, shuttle buses were built to be cheap and light. So cardboard. Yeah, they built them out of cardboard. Not all shuttles are built this way, but a lot of them are. And with age and vibration, this cardboard layer starts to break down. Since the inner and outer window frames need something solid between them, the screws no longer have anything to pull tight against. This causes the seals to break, letting in moisture that does even more damage. The only way to give your windows a sturdy sealed surface is to install bracing between these fiberglass layers. I'll show you how we're doing that in a minute. First, I want you to see the fiberglass damage caused by these loose windows rattling around. These are fatigue cracks from motion over time, and up here you can see where the loose vibrating window frame has actually worn a depression into the fiberglass. I'll have to fix these before I put windows back in. Let's walk around to the other side where we've already added bracing. Yeah, I know it needs a bath. While the windows were out, we went ahead and painted around them. To sturdy the windows, we cut strips of wood just under an inch deep and about an inch and a half wide and hammered them in place between the fiberglass layers. A little bit of glue was used, though it probably wasn't necessary. The windows are going to hold them in place. Now we can install the windows with silicone sealant all around for a much more permanent seal. I hope this was helpful. We'll be uploading the full build of this shuttle as we go. And thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe below to keep up with what we do with this beautiful beast.